In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to rotate and flip an image in Wix. Let's dive right in and guide you through the simple process to enhance your website images. First, you'll want to start by opening the Wix Editor. Log into your Wix account and select the website you'd like to edit. Once you're in the editor, you'll find yourself looking at your website interface. Now, to add a new image, look at the left-hand toolbar and click on the option that says Add Elements. This is where you can access various features like text, videos, and in our case, images. Once you've clicked on Add Elements, a menu will pop up. In this menu, select Images. Here, you have the option to either upload a new image from your computer or choose from a variety of free photos provided by Wix. If you want to upload your own photo, simply click Upload, choose the file from your computer, and voila! Your image is now included in your website's gallery. Alternatively, if you're opting for a Wix-provided image, browse through the selections, find one you like, and click Add to Page. Now that your image has been added, it's time to make some edits. Click on the image that you want to edit, and you'll notice a small bar appear offering a few options. Find the button that says Edit Image and give it a click. This will take you to a screen where you can tweak your image to your liking. Look for an option that says Crop and Extend. This is where you'll have the power to rotate or flip your image. Once you're in this section, you'll see icons or sliders that allow you to rotate the image. You can give it a quick spin to the left or right until you achieve the desired angle. For flipping, you may find options that show the image flipping horizontally or vertically. Select your preference, and you'll instantly see your image change on the screen before you. After you've made these adjustments, be sure to click on Apply or Save to ensure your edits stick. This will update the image on your page and let you see how your modifications enhance your site's aesthetic. And there you have it. You've successfully learned how to rotate and flip images in Wix, adding a new layer of customization to your website imagery. With these techniques, you can create more dynamic and visually engaging content that captures the attention of your visitors. Thank you for watching, and happy editing!